So on this week's video, continuing the Scottish theme, we are taking off from Oban on the west coast of Scotland, and a place particularly in Oban called Pulpit Hill, which is one of the highest points in Oban, and it's opposite the monument that everybody goes to see. And it's a nice and quiet area, but it gives stunning views overlooking the harbour. So this was a nice July afternoon it was by the time I got up the hill. The walk up there is massive, so definitely drive if you can, if you've got your car with you, because the walk will take it out of you. I had to even have a little sit down and a bit of a rest. So it's just a small little town, is this, like I say, on the west coast of Scotland. Only 8,000 people live there. And predominantly it's used its harbour and its port. And we'll talk a little bit more about the port later on. Around this side of the city, there's lots of little properties and hotels and bed and breakfasts, just nestled into the countryside on the hill. Really, really pretty, because all this part of Scotland is stunning. And you can see out into the routes that the ferries take as they go out into the Hebrides. So this is a view coming back over from the harbour, back over Pulpit Hill, and you'll see me in a little puddle of sweat on the top of the hill, looking back over towards the east of the country. And you can see the car park just to the right hand side of the screen, just going out now. That's the car park to Pulpit Hill if you drive up. And then we'll swim back round and have another look at the town. So while I was up there, I managed to catch footage of the ferry coming back into port. Now, like I said earlier, Oban Terminal, that serves the Hebrides, just obviously the islands outside Scotland, and this is one of the ferries coming in now. So the ferries go back and forward from Oban to Mull and the town of, now I'm going to butcher this, Craignure? I don't know, go and look on Wiki. And there's a couple of ferries that go back and forward throughout the day. So we'll leave you with footage of this coming into dock.